In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a YouTube video to Notion page. By the end, you'll know the quickest ways to embed a video so it looks clean, plays smoothly, and lives exactly where you need it in your notes or docs. Let's start with the simplest approach. Open the YouTube video you want to add and copy its URL from the address bar. Then head to your Notion page. Click where you want the video to appear and paste the link. Notion will usually recognize it automatically. If you see a small menu, choose Create Embed. In a second or two, the full YouTube player appears right on your page. You can drag the edges to resize it. Move it into columns or reposition it like any other block. This method is fast and reliable, and it's perfect when you are already viewing the video you want. If you prefer using Notion commands, here is a clean command line method. On a new line in Notion, type /video or /embed, then press enter. You'll see a field asking for a link. Paste your YouTube URL there and confirm. This is great when you are structuring a page and want to drop in a placeholder first, or when you need to embed multiple videos in a consistent way. It also reduces the chance that Notion treats the link as plain text. Here is also the share menu route in YouTube. Under the video, click share and copy the link from the pop-up. If you want the video to begin at a specific timestamp, toggle the start time option before copying. Then go back to your Notion page and paste the link. Again, choose Create Embed if prompted. And you are done. This method helps ensure you are using the clean, short YouTube link that Notion loves, which can prevent occasional embed hiccups. A few quick tips to keep everything smooth. If your video doesn't embed and you only see a link, click it once and select Create Embed. Make sure the video isn't private, public and unlisted videos embed best. If the embed looks cramped, switch your page to full width or widen the block by dragging. And remember, everything you embed is still streaming from YouTube, so your audience will need an internet connection to watch. That's all you need to seamlessly add a YouTube video to any Notion page. Whether you are building a wiki, a lesson plan, or a project update. Thanks for watching.